4 minutes after the hour, 7 people are now confirmed dead in Louisiana from the historic flooding. Thousands of homes are underwater as rain falls. Over the weekend, more than 20 inches fell in and around Baton Rouge. Forecasters say more rain is on the way, and that could mean more problems.
It's been difficult to get people to leave their homes because they think that they're safe. But you can throw all of the experience out whenever you break the records as we have in Louisiana.
We looked into the numbers with the historic flooding in Louisiana. More than 11,000 people are staying in shelters, more than 500 pets rescued, and 48 hours. That's how long torrential rain fell across parts of southern Louisiana. Some saw more than 2 feet in that time.